Hey guys, and welcome to Trucking Along with Kearsey. That's me, your positive voice in trucking. And today, we're gonna hang up that picture back there. And I didn't get lamps. I want to get like silver and gold lamps or something to put on the end tables. But I'm gonna show you how a female trucker gets things done, like mounting stuff on the TV, like the TV on the wall and stuff like this. This is how we do it, ladies. We get a really cool guy to come do it for us. And I'm gonna sit down on my nice, brand new, leathery type of recliner and watch him do this. And maybe you guys will watch him too. And if his sister watches this, she's gonna be like, oh my God, who the hell is that woman that got my brother to do this stuff? What's her name?
Tammy.
Tammy! Hi, Tammy. Wanna say hi?
Hello. Thing ready to rock and roll on me.
Well, we'll see if you mess this up. Look, he came all prepared with all his tools.
Almost.
My big feet. And get my big feet out of the screen.
Almost all my tools. Okay, it says now the next thing we got to attach the plate to the back of the TV. So. Everything's on hold until we open up the TV box.
Okay. Here's the TV. Yes, and we had to buy a ladder because we're both short.
This is accidentally going to work perfectly.
Woo-woo!
I think.
All right.
We'll see. It's not up yet, but
You promise?
I promise. I kind of promise. We're going to get this.
Put the glasses back on.
Okay. Now I forgot what I was doing. So this needs to go on the wall. Okay, so the height, you're saying, does it matter to you?
I don't give a crap.
Okay.
As long as it don't fall off the wall.
I really, you see, you can kind of see where the old holes are. See, they painted over them. So that's going to be where the stud's at. I need to use this ladder.
Can you use the same hole? If it's into a stud, would it work?
Yeah, I think so.
Drill that hole, baby.
Well,
That reminds me of Sarah Palin, drill, baby, drill. Although I hated her. She was a mockery to women.
Yeah, she made it too easy for them to ridicule. But I think her heart was in the right place.
I think the woman was back crap nuts.
Okay.
See, I gotta start using Southern expressions now.
Crazier than a rat in a tin shit house. How's that? You like that one?
See, we wouldn't use something like that. I wouldn't even have thought anything like that as a Yankee. With me, it would have been like crazier than Jack Nicholson and One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest.
Right to the top of that thing. I know the internet trolls are going to be saying, no man, you're doing it all wrong. But that's okay, because it wouldn't be my first time, but that's it wrong.
I might not even put the voice on this, you realize that, right?
Huh?
I might not even use the audio. I'll just put it like together and then fast forward
You're going to do it like the news does? You're going to record for 45 minutes and then edit it down, which would be fine.
Well, that's what I always do, but I might just do it on fast forward and then have you like play into music, you know what I mean?
Look what I found.
Oh, look, he found it.
Buried under my sunglass case.
Well, you know what? Now that I'm showing the brand name of the TV, people are going to say, "Oh, Vizio, they suck."
Probably. But I know for a fact that they work fine because my sister had one for years and it worked fine. So, okay.
Do you think my flower arrangement looks lopsided? I thought I had bought an additional flower to come up to the middle, the top, and it didn't. I didn't. And I'm like, now it looks weird to me.
I think it looks fine.
Okay.
I think it looks pretty.
Aw, thank you. Because I made that arrangement myself.
Oh, that sounded like a stud. I'm not just talking about me.
All right, maybe I'll keep the audio after all.
No,
You just said that to the whole world.
You can edit. Crooked as a dog's hind leg, as my mom would say.
Is it cattywampus? What is that word that they say?
Cattywampus?
Is that what it is?
I think so. You know what?
Because where I come from would be catty quarter. One of my students said cattywampus.
So I could use this level, but how do you know that they built the building level? Ah, see?
You're putting too much care into this.
Okay. According to the level, that's straight.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Yeah, it moved.
Huh?
It moved when you screwed it in. But that's okay.
Yeah, I don't think it's...
Because if you look, it's not straight holes. It's like oval holes,
Well,
right?
the main thing, I mean, it don't have to be straight, like I said, but the main thing is that these things are in studs. That's what
Okay, that's what I want.
And that felt to me like it's in a stud because it really gets harder as it goes in. Stop.
What? I'm sorry, you said it. Unless an earthquake strikes Missouri, which I seriously doubt, it's going to stay there.